Hello everyone, now we are going to start the new chapter, that is sulfuric acid. And in this chapter we will be dealing with the chemical properties, the reactions and its chemical test. Let us start with the molecular formula. The molecular formula of sulfuric acid is 98. It is also called as king of chemicals, and it is also known by the name oil of vitriol. And if I talk about its lab preparation, the name of the lab preparation used here is contact process. Now with the help of contact process we can prepare sulfuric acid in the lab. How will you do it? You allow sulfur dioxide to pass through oxygen gas and you will get sulfur dioxide. Or you can do one thing, you can use iron pyrite and allow excess of oxygen to pass through it and you get iron ka oxide, okay, Fe2O3. Along with that you get sulfur dioxide. Now soon after that, here you get, after getting sulfur dioxide, you allow oxygen to pass through it, you will get sulfur trioxide, and this reaction takes place in the presence of a catalyst, vanadium pentoxide and platinum, and the temperature required here is 400, between 400 to 500 degrees Celsius. Once you get sulfur trioxide, you allow it to pass through sulfuric acid, it is in the dilute form, okay, and you get oleum or H2S2O7. This is the formula of oleum. In the next step and the last step, you allow oleum to pass through water and you will get the desired product. Now the next is the chemical properties of sulfuric acid. Now see, we all know sulfuric acid act as a oxidizing agent. The main reason behind is that once you heat sulfuric acid, you get water, sulfur dioxide, and this presence of this nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen is responsible for its oxidizing property. Next we have the chemical properties. Now see, if you allow NaCl to pass through H2SO4, you will get sodium bisulfate if the temperature is less than 200 degrees Celsius. Keep in mind here the temperature is less than 200 degrees Celsius, okay, and once you allow the same reaction to take place above 200 degrees Celsius, you get sodium sulfate and HCl gas. Next you have, how will you understand that it is a acid or it is a dibasic acid? Now look at this reaction. The way to prove that it is a dibasic acid, it is the only way to prove that it contains or it is a dibasic acid. Take H2SO4, dissolve in water, you will get H3O plus ion, that is hydronium ion and bisulfate. Again take bisulfate and allow water to pass through it, you will get hydronium ion and sulfate, okay. Here you get the release of H plus ion twice, right? So this indicates the presence of 2H plus ion, indicating it is a dibasic acid. Next you have, if you allow dilute acid to react with the active metals like magnesium, zinc and iron, you will get the salt of the following metals and hydrogen gas. Similarly, if you allow metal oxide to react with the acid, you will get salt and water. Here you have taken copper oxide and H2SO4, you get the product as copper sulfate and water.